Welcome to our video. The audiolingual method is an approach to language teaching that emphasizes spoken language through repetition and drills. This method was popular in the United States around the 1940s and 1950s, influenced by structural linguistics and behaviorism. Teachers encourage students to mimic and repeat dialogues, helping them internalize language patterns efficiently. In this method, grammar is taught inductively, meaning students learn rules through examples rather than direct explanation. Learners often practice with pattern drills to reinforce correct structures and pronunciation. The focus lies heavily on listening and speaking skills, with reading and writing introduced at later stages. Errors are corrected immediately by the teacher to prevent formation of incorrect language habits. The audiolingual method believes that language learning involves forming habits through stimulus, response, and reinforcement. Teachers serve as models and provide positive or negative feedback based on students' responses. One major practitioner of the audiolingual method is Charles C. Fries, who contributed significantly to its development. Another key figure is Robert Lado, known for his expertise in linguistics and language teaching. A major reference book is The Teaching of Oral English by C.C. Fries, a foundational work on this teaching strategy. Another essential source is Language Teaching, a scientific approach by Robert Lado, exploring theoretical underpinnings. Students often memorize dialogues known as oral patterns to develop fluency and automaticity in foreign language use. Drills in substitution, transformation, and expansion help learners quickly adapt to new language situations. Visual aids and gestures might be used, but the focus remains primarily on building strong auditory and oral skills. Translation between the native and target language is generally avoided to immerse students in the new language. Classroom activities are carefully sequenced and tightly controlled to maximize accuracy and minimize errors. As a criticism, the audiolingual method can limit students' creativity and self-expression due to its rigid structure. Some educators feel that the method does not prepare students well for authentic conversation in unpredictable situations. Nonetheless, the method helped pioneer the importance of oral skills in modern language teaching. Today, digital language labs and e-learning platforms use adapted audiolingual techniques to enhance speaking and listening proficiency. The audiolingual method continues to impact language education by providing proven techniques for developing strong oral communication skills in learners. Thanks for watching the video.